Hey people, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two different ways how to turn off your PlayStation 5 with your control pad. Obviously you have the method where you can hit the button on your PS5, however depending on which settings you chose when you first set up, this may only put your PlayStation into sleep mode. So let's look at the first way, how to turn it off with your control pad. This is the more drawn out way and we'll get to the quicker way in a moment. So first what you want to do on the main page, you want to come up to the top here and come to your profile and then come down to log out. You'll be greeted with this page where you simply click any button on your control pad to continue. And now with this page up, you want to come down to the bottom here and click the power button and then come down and select turn off PS5, and that will completely turn off your PlayStation 5 with your control pad. Now the quicker way to do it is come to the main page on your PlayStation or wherever you are on your PlayStation and click the PlayStation button on your control pad. This will bring up this menu and you simply want to toggle all the way to the right to power, and you'll have the same menu as you've seen before. You want to come down to turn PS5 off and you simply turn it off, and that is your PlayStation 5 turned off. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please smash the like button below, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.